TD's new online banking interface promises faster performance. Here's our full 2026 review. We ran controlled tests across desktop and mobile using realistic user flows. Baseline: the old interface averaged 2.0 seconds to first interaction. The new interface averages 1.2 seconds to first interaction across tests. That represents roughly a 40% reduction in latency for typical tasks. Throughout this video, you'll see on-screen UI captures, side-by-side speed tests, and graphs. Under the hood, TD removed redundant API calls and implemented lazy loading for widgets. Client rendering now uses incremental hydration, cutting bundle size by about 35%. We tracked 3 measurable metrics: load time, time to interactive, and CPU during transactions. Side-by-side tests show the login flow now completes in 1.5 seconds versus 2.8. UX upgrades include simplified navigation, predictive search, and clearer transaction states for users. Bottom line, measurable speed gains and focused UX tweaks make the experience faster and more reliable.